Right, I need to take this door off, but it's got these old hinges with slotted screws, and it's got about 100 years worth of paint on it. So this is how I take it off. For this job I'm going to need a small slotted screwdriver, a bigger slotted screwdriver, a hammer and a Stanley knife. Right, so first of all you take your small slotted screwdriver and your hammer, and you just want to put it in the slot where all the paint is. And you just want to chip out as much paint as you can from the slot. So now you take your bigger slotted screwdriver and put it in the slots. Now I've seen on other YouTube videos that they skip the first step and leave the paint in and just hammer the bigger slotted screwdriver in, but that just crushes the paint in there and doesn't give you a very good grip. So I like to chip it out first and then put this one in. Alright, a little bash with the hammer and it should loosen the screw up. Right, if you've hit it and you still can't loosen it, it's a bit tight, a little tip for you. See the hole in the screwdriver? Get the smaller screwdriver, put it through the hole. It gives you more leverage on the screw. So put it firmly in the slot and use the smaller screwdriver to give you more leverage on the screw. Don't use a cordless drill, where you end up stripping the head off the screws. Okay, so I like to take all but one of the screws out. Just loosen that off a little bit. Give it a little tap with the hammer. See if you can break any of the seals in the paint. I've been lucky enough for that one to break quite cleanly. But if it doesn't break cleanly, then you take your Stanley knife and you just score around the hinge. Score around the metal to minimise any chipping in the paint. So at the top, just push the Stanley knife in just to score it. Run it along. If you don't do this, when you take the door off, a big chip of paint will come off there. Do the same on the bottom. Do the same to the bottom hinge. Another little tip as well, when you're scoring with a Stanley knife, if you put it at the bottom of where you're scoring to and dig it in, gives you a natural stopping point for the knife. So it'll stop there without flying through. Okay, and I now take the last two screws out. I always take the screws out of the bottom hinge first, so the door's not going to come down and hit you on the head. Okay, take the last screw out, keeping hold of the door. Hopefully when I take this door off, it shouldn't chip any paint. Right, that's not bad, I'm happy with that. And that's how you take off a painted in hinge. Right, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, then please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.